taking the cast net or no?
Nah, I don't.
No?
I don't think so. And that yellow bucket, just put it inside your truck. They don't steal it. You can't forget them goats. Got a stringer.
We got no eyes on how hot it's gonna be. It's just gonna cook in there.
Yeah, I got a stringer today.
Yeah.
So no.
Either way, if you don't, got my paracord right
I'll tell you, I got a stringer, man. I got a good stringer.
Damn, man, I got that paracord right there. Just
All right, let's do it.
eat it.
All right.
Should have hopped in that bad boy. I could I can hop on from there. It ain't one thing, it's another.
That's right.
Huh? I don't know.
Yeah, I locked it, bro. All right, you ready? See if the clutch is ready.
Push off?
Yeah, give me a push off, bro. That sucker got tangled bad. Well, hopefully my propeller's good. Cause
it's hard.
It was scraping. Dude, and I didn't bring mine today, bro.
Look, this is washed, man.
You got one?
Yeah, I only used it once.
Yeah.
It's super, it's clean.
Oh, you used it once? Never mind. Ah, well, crispy fry then. Do you know those markers, the posts? Do you understand the marker posts?
Nah, dude. Never used this. Never,
You see any slicks, man? We pull up on the slicks.
yeah, I'm looking. I'm trying to get these glasses on so I can see better.
Try to, when you get a chance, see if you can check with the pole and stick it down. See how deep it is.
There we go. Now we working. Oh, no, that's
Deep, huh? I'm gonna try to get close to this area. I mean, I don't know where we're fishing, but it's better if I get turned around, huh? Is that a boat or a kayak ahead?
I think that's a kayak, man. It looks too slim. Unless he's something like that guy, a little skiff.
You want to try right here? I mean, screw it, dude. We don't know, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna just get us turned around so the sun's not in our face. You rigged up any?
Nah, heck no, dude. I gotta get all my stuff fixed.
I guess we're gonna do a lot of anchoring today. They got some good sized croaker in here.
Hey, I might need just one jig head if you got one.
Oh, I got plenty, bro.
That's the only thing. I gotta go with jig heads I do not know. I guess I bought dope last time.
Let me get one out, at least.
Nah, go for the get that early morning bite, man. Oh shit, it went down again, huh?
Yeah. I don't know what it is. I don't think the little croaker can knock it down like that, huh?
Nah.
Oh, it's still on there.
Oh, it's still on there.
Where's that? Oh, it's right here.
Oh, look at that. You saw that right behind your float?
Mm-hmm. Probably got me already. I think he got me though, for real. No, he didn't.
No?
Wow, that was a cat.
Catfish?
Mm-hmm. All slimy, the lime.
Please let it be a trout, man.
It's not shaking his head, bro.
No?
Mm-mm. Oh, he is a little bit now.
Oh, trout, man. 20-inch trout.
Yeah, I don't think so. Maybe a little red.
The hell? Damn! Yeah, big old gaff top, man.
Oh man, it's not what we're going for, man.
Wasn't that?
No, not at all. That's a big gaff top.
Yeah, look at that line, man.
Bye. We got over it, huh?
When it picks up speed, you feel less of the wave.
Yeah, because it's riding over it. What you think, man?
That's
What time is it? 11? Nah, man, this road ain't nothing here, bro. I don't see nobody catching.
Nope.
Even the homeboy in the kayak over here ain't doing nothing no more.